Hi guys, so I am looking at gold, okay, and I can see it formed a bearish engulfing around this zone. And of course there's all this zone. So I basically set a sell order for market to go down and I'm hoping to exit here. Okay, so let's see how this goes because the current next candle, I'm hoping it will get me in the trade. But if not, oh well, if it does, great. Let's see how this candle closes. I'm hoping it comes to grab me in the trade. Looks like it may happen soon. Maybe I should move this up a bit. Maybe I'm being a little bit too extra. It might not even take me, but I can hope. I can hope, darlings. I can hope. I'll be right back if market does grab me into the trade. Hi guys, so market has taken me into the trade. So right now we are just watching and waiting for the market to drop, okay? And if it doesn't drop, I guess it's a break even right now, but I guess it's a losing trade because obviously market still hasn't got into a position for me to get into break even yet. So right now we have a stop loss, okay, and we have a take profit. So at the moment it's like a 1 to 3 trade. Risk is 1, reward is a 3. So let's wait and see how this plays out. It's all good if it's a losing trade. It's actually towards the end of the market close on a Friday, so this is essentially going to take us into market close and until Sunday. So I'm just I'm gonna see how this plays out. You know, it's quite funny though. You can see I'm watching it on 2 time frames, slightly different time frames, and it's funny because and you can't see the trade here. We can see it here. That's something I set basically. I only want to see it on one view. So even sometimes I'm making my videos, you can't actually see my trade because I set it that way. If I'm in a trade, you know, if I tell you I'm in a trade, believe it. Because I can show you my trade and I cannot show you my trade while it's in play. So I'm hoping because we have 2 double tops here, okay, and this is a bearish engulfing on here. So this candle currently testing the engulfing candle because obviously after market formed this bearish engulfing, we didn't have a retest of this. The market came here to test this zone and then went back up, created a sort of double top, right? And then gave us another bearish engulfing, okay? So with this bearish engulfing, this candle right here is testing the engulfing candle. Okay, so I am looking for market to go. So let's see how this plays out. I've been taking out of the trade, you know, the sales that I was in. It's come off. As you can see, market did drop more than halfway. Let me show you, my TP was here. These are alerts that I have, okay? So my TP was here, market played around here a little bit and I did, you know, I'm watching it on 2 time frames. So I have this zone highlighted and of course market did play around this, but it decided to bounce off it as opposed to going further down to the next zone. This would be my TP, which is where I have this alert. So after market made all this wick, initially I had my stop loss set here, okay? So this line was just to highlight the reason why I saw market resisting its zone and giving the bearish engulfing here, okay? But this line was where I put my stop loss for the trade, if you remember correctly, which is above this, the wick of this engulfing. And after that happened, market played around a bit and I still had my stop loss here. But then after this long red candle engulfed all of these places, including the wicks here, right? Including these wicks here, I took my stop loss from here and then I put it pretty much on break even. So market now went halfway. Okay, let me show you where my entry was. Literally my entry was here. So market went from here till right here. So that was basically close to 2/3 of the move. And then it went back up. And by the time, because this red, long red candle because this long red candle had engulfed all of these zones, I took my stop loss from here and put it pretty much around break even. And that's what I did. And then when I did that, and then market did this nonsense where it came back up because it's still testing this support on this, right? Came back up. It's taking me out at break even. So whatever it does after that, I don't care because I didn't make any money. I didn't lose any money. Oh well. I guess I could have banked here because I did see this support pretty much on this. But I thought, you know, it's gonna break it. It's gonna break it. It's not gonna come back to break even. You know, I don't need to worry about nothing. Little did I know. Little did I know. But I will keep observing market to see what happens. We are pretty much around about 1 hour 25 minutes before market officially closes. I'm gonna be irritated, right? If this still ends up going down and hitting that TP at this alert zone, because I'm thinking, why did I trust this red candle had taken me out of the clear of market coming back to hit me at break even? Why? Well, such is the life. Sometimes you win, sometimes you lose, and sometimes you break even, because if you don't win, you're not necessarily losing either, right? But I'll be back to see how this plays out before market closes for the Friday. So it turns out it was a good decision to put my trade at break even when I did, because of course after I got taken at break even with this candlestick, I essentially market played around a bit more, went up, which means market did an inverse head and shoulders sort of move, and it's continuing to the upside. So I guess it was a good decision that I made. The market stopped here and then continued its upward movement. So I was actually trading against the trend. And it was because I was trading against the trend, I didn't want to head all the way down to the bottom of the channel here, you know. I decided to play it safer here. Little did I know that this was going to be the end of the road for this trade. But hey, I was well aware that I was trading against the new trend that had just formed. But anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Break even trade. Make sure you like and subscribe, and also hit the notification bell. Bye.